check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second by the first. Okay, so basically you have to check if this first expression can divide the second expression with a remainder 0. That's the whole idea of the word factor. So to begin with, we have to, since we are trying to divide, we have to write both the expression in its standard form, right? So standard form, we have p of x to be equal to, the highest power is 5, so we have 5 x to the power of 5, 1 into x to the power of 5 plus 0 x to the power of 4. As there is no x to the power of 4, there is minus x cube term, then there is square term, then there is a linear term and a constant. Okay, always write in standard form. Then we have g of x, so we have the highest power is cube, next square term is not there, then we have linear term, and we have the constant. Next thing is we have to have our rough space, and at last we need to have our division. Okay, now let's divide. So since you can see this is pretty long, I'll start my division from here. Dividing. So let me do this first. Yeah, dividing 1 x to the power of 5 plus 0 x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 1x square plus 3x plus 1. Make good use of your space. Always try to write neat. Now we just have to take each term, the very first terms, and then divide and write the quotient. So x to the power of 5 divided by x square, x cube is x to the power of 2. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So then we have to multiply all of this with all of this. So we have 1 x to the power of 5, right? Plus 0 into something is 0 itself. Minus 3 x to the power of 1 into minus 1x square is minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. X to the power of 1 and x square is x cube. Plus 1 into that is plus 1x square. So we have to draw the line and change the sign. So this gets cancelled and we have minus 1x cube. This 2 gets cancelled, so this is 0x square. Then you just have to copy the remaining terms. Next you are looking at minus 1x cube and plus 1x cube, dividing that. So since they are same terms with negative sign, so this will be negative 1, right? 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1, is it not? So same way, 1x cube divided by minus 1x cube will give you, plus divided by minus is minus, 1 divided by 1 is 1. These are same terms, so into 1. So this is nothing but minus 1. Then minus 1 has to be multiplied with all of this. So plus of minus is minus 1x cube plus 0. Minus of plus is, minus of minus is minus 3x. And plus of minus is minus 1. Next step is to draw the line and change the sign. Minus became plus, plus became minus, and minus became plus. This gets cancelled and this is 0. This 2 gets cancelled and that is 0. So plus 1 and plus 1 is plus 2. Well, we are now doubtful if our remainder supposed to be 2. So is the answer not, the g of x is not a factor of p of x? So let's verify this with our help of our code, I have the expression over here, the divisors and the dividends. So the dividend degree is 5 and the divisor's degree is 3. We have the coefficients to be 1, 0, minus 4, 1, 3 and 1, right? Then we have 1, 0, minus 3 and 1. I hope I typed it right. Yes, our remainder is 2 and the quotient is 1 and minus 1. 1, 0 and minus 1. So we have 1. The missing term is x. So 0x minus 1. So this is right. Then we can conclude that hence, right, as the remainder is a non-zero value. If you want to write it properly, as the remainder is non-zero, this implies g of x is not a factor of p of x.
Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python, we'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.